How often do you find yourself scrambling for a charger while travelling? Stick with us to see how the Charmast Mini Power Bank changes the game. I'm Ben from Travels Unfiltered, and it's time to get into it. The Charmast Mini Power Bank is a tiny powerhouse that promises to be a game changer for your travel needs, and we're putting it to the test in this video. First off, at just 3.95 inches by 2.63 inches and weighing a mere 5.85 ounces, it's almost like carrying a second phone. But this one's sole job is to keep your devices powered up. Let's talk power. With a 10,000 mAh capacity and 20 watt fast charging, it's equipped to juice up your iPhone 12 or Samsung S21 up to 52% in just 30 minutes. In the time it takes to sip your espresso at a Parisian cafe, your phone gets more than half its battery back. But the Charmast Mini isn't just about speed, it's about versatility too. With wide compatibility for iPhones, Samsung, Pixel and other smartphones as well as tablets, it's ready for whatever tech you're carrying. And with USB-A and C ports, you're covered no matter what cable you've got. You'll never have to play the guessing game with your power bank's battery life. The built-in LED display gives you a clear readout of how much juice is left, so you're always in the know. The Charmast Mini checks all the boxes. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the non-slip surface keeps it secure. Plus, with certified safety, it protects your devices against overcharging and overheating. A smart companion for smart travelers. Whether you're navigating ancient streets, capturing breathtaking landscapes, or staying connected with loved ones, the Charmast Mini Power Bank is your reliable travel buddy, ensuring you're always powered up for those unforgettable moments. Are you ready to make the Charmast Mini your new travel essential? Check out the link in the description for more details and to grab yours today. If you're planning your next travel adventure, then you need to check out our Travel Tips playlist. It has everything you need to know to make your vacation amazing, like the best luggage sets, booking hacks, flight hacks, and much more. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and videos, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.